Okay, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the time you're watching me. Um, Now I'm actually doing this video based on another time. The problem, I was actually having problem with my audio when I was actually doing the video because it was not actually working. So I had to re-record it and just do another video on it. So as you can see, this is me checking my mic if it was actually working. So for now, I'm on a AUD USD. So before I talk further, please can you help me subscribe on my channel? I'm just starting newly. I've been learning this trade for a year and 2 months now. So please subscribe to my channel and like my page and give a thumbs up, so at least I can be able to have the courage to post more videos on this, more content like this too. So this is a video I did earlier today before the FOMC came out actually. So and I'm on a challenge on doing 100, like from I want to flip $100 to 10,000 US dollars. If you can see, I was actually showing it because I was actually on a trade then. I was actually on a trade and I was actually making some little profits on it then. So I was trying to show my trades because it's not actually a real account, it's just a demo account which I'm trying to listen to. But I'm trying to use the psychology whereby I'm feeling it's my own money. I'm taking it that as if it's my money. I want to try and manage that money. So there's a possibility I can use $10,000, I can use $100,000, but I decide to use uh $100 to flip to $10,000. So I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm just trying to do it. And looking at the trade, so I'm only trading just two pairs, which is AUD USD and Euro USD. So looking at it, I'm always trying to do a top-down analysis on how I enter the trade. So from the monthly time frame, looking at it, you know. So going from the monthly time frame, you notice that the trade chart is actually bearish. So since it's bearish, so also I'll be looking for a buy on this trade. Sorry, I might not be, what I'm saying here might not tally with what I'm saying there, but it's just, I'm just trying to do the video again. So looking at it from the monthly time frame, you know, yes, I'm bearish. Then going down to the weekly time frame, when I enter the weekly time frame, from the weekly time frame I plot my support and my resistance level, which is my zones. I plot my zones. So looking at it from there, you'll notice that that is my zone where the trade was actually bearish. So it was going down, giving a chart pattern, which is like here and showed the pattern, then broke, then went up, couldn't go up, then broke it again and retest, then before going down, then before, then because looking at that place now, you know that is actually a zone too. Understand that is a zone. So trying to create all the I don't know if it's my mouse was actually slow, but I was trying to create my support zone, a support area. That was what I was trying to create. I was trying to plot my support zone where it came before heading up again, then started coming down, then made us to have a ranging market. Because if you look at it from the daily time frame, which will go very soon, you'll notice that we are on a ranging market. There it's a range market. So looking at the chart, you know that I have some trend line, something, but the overall trend is actually bearish. You understand? It's actually bearish. Now, going to daily time frame, that's where I actually plot my trend line. But normally I've actually plotted my trend line from the beginning, which is from the monthly time frame. Plotted my trend line going down. So the reason why I plot the trend line on the monthly time frame is just so that I can know where the support or the resistance of the thing it's supposed to go, so that it won't go beyond. So whenever if it breaks that trend line, I know yes, I'm actually going for a buy. So I'm trying to know where my confluences are actually going, where I'm heading to. I want to know where I'm moving, how I'm doing. So well, I don't even actually, I'm just saying, but when I was actually analyzing the market, it was better when I was actually analyzing the market. Sorry about that. Sorry about this too. So now, when you see it, you notice that this is actually a ranging market. From the, if you go to the weekly time frame, you know it's a ranging market. Now, it gave a double top up from there, then head down, give a double top and then down. Then from the down part, now what I'm actually doing, I'm trying to plot a zone, a mini zone inside the daily market, inside the daily time frame, a mini zone. So I try to change the color. Then trying to change the color. So showing how it all went down, giving it a double top, which is the chart pattern before going down. Then came down to the resistance, the support. Then started ranging inside the supports, choppy thing, giving us a higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So before there was a break of structure of the thing, before you saw that there was a higher high, higher low. You understand? A higher high and the higher low. So then we started heading up. But most importantly, because I actually don't really want to explain too much on all this, but nevertheless, if we go on the 4 hours time frame, then yeah, this is showing the weekly time frame to show that yes, it's actually a ranging market at that part. Understand? Because I normally high trade on price action and support and resistance. Then I trade the trend line. That's just the thing. I don't leave anything untouched. I do everything. Because if you see, you might not understand my thing because it might be look rough, but me doing it, I understand everything about it. I understand my charts. I know where the trend line is coming from and why I'm doing that. Because looking at this trend line from the that is going up, because it might break that trend line and start heading down. Then the one you're seeing up there's a possibility that it might break there, because that's just a two touch. So I'm waiting for another touch of that trend line, because it's supposed to actually go up to touch the top trend line before end it down again, but which it has not done. But normally, actually, because I started trading this market since I think that was when did I start trading market? I started trading AUD and Euro USD since last week. Yeah, since last week. I've been trading market since last week, because for a week, more than a week, I think. Sorry, that's my kid actually coughing. I'm a father of three, so that's your thing. So, but this is what I want to do, so I have to do. um Down to the chart again. You see, from the 4 hours time frame. Sorry about my sorry on my explanation. It's just because of this is not how I actually did. I wish it was when I entered, when I was actually doing, when, because my mic was not actually working then, but at least, so I just have to do it again before I post. So now I was actually in the market bearish. You understand? I was actually bearish before there was a break of structure of the market. And when I mean there was a break of structure in the market, because I was actually bearish, I actually and entered the market when it was going down before it started going up again. Then I had to enter the market. Then it came back, gave a double bottom, a mini double bottom. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, you see that there's a double bottom there, which is a W pattern at that place. So from there, I already know that this trade is actually going up. And if you know, we are having FOMC coming very soon. Now FOMC coming very soon, so I already know that, okay, now this market was actually going down, which I entered the market when it was going down, and I made some little money from the market. Then it reversed back, and it was supposed to create a lower high, then a lower low. Instead, it came to create a higher low. So then I knew that for a fact that the market has actually changed. There's a change in direction of the market, because when something like this is happening, you already know that yes, something want to happen. So that was how I changed my bias of the market, and I entered. Then I started looking for an opportunity for a buy, which I looked for an opportunity from the 15 minutes time frame. Then I entered for a buy. Now, if you can see, this is actually the FOMC news when it started coming out. Then that was how I entered. That was how my trade went, and I got. Then I was in profit actually. I was actually in profit. I was in profit. That's me actually trying to open my phone to show you guys that yes, 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 yes. I was actually in profit. Both AUD USD and Euro Euro AUD Euro USD. Understand? That's me showing thing. Actually, the profit is not much because I'm actually managing my trade. I'm trying to not to over trade. So normally I'm supposed to at least enter the market and start buying again, but just because I'm trying to follow my trading plan. So my trading plan is that I don't do more than two. Yeah, quite alright. Sometimes I might see a trade that is more than even five uh, risk reward. My risk reward was supposed to be like 4 or 5 this thing. So I don't do more than this. Actually, this risk to reward was actually one risk to reward to 4. So I was actually risking 1 to make 4 on this trade, which I actually made profit on it, and I closed my trade immediately because I actually didn't put TP. So I closed my trade because I don't want to over trade. But I knew that for a fact that it was actually going for a buy. I knew for a fact that it's still going. It does not stop. It's because the direction has changed. So it's going up. It has to go and touch the top resistance before, even if it wants to start going down again. But it has to go touch the top resistance first. So I just had to just leave the trade because I've gotten what I actually wanted. So I don't want to be greedy. So I left the market, and I was just looking at the market and like, wow, mad, 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 mad. What saying? Don't play, don't play, don't play. That's just what I was actually saying. Don't play, don't play, don't play, don't play. No, I've been working, learning, for a year and 2 months now. A year and 2 months now. Night after night, night and day, night and day, night and day, on charts, on the market, trying to read the market, trying to understand the market, trying to know everything about the market. I would say I won't say I'm that good on trade now, or should I say um I can boldly say yes. Actually 70% uh mm, on track when it comes to the trade. Like if this I should analyze my market, like I should tell you how my market goes. I can tell you I'll, I'm always right 70 out of 100. That's very true. I'm always right 70 out of 100 for time being, which I've been trading. So I'm just waiting to get some funds and get a profit and trade the market and make some money so at least I can change my life. But if you want to still learn more, you want to learn with me, you want to become a profit trader like me, join my channel and subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Send me a message, DM me, then we'll talk, then we'll practice and learn together. That's your thing. I don't collect money, it's for free. If you want to learn the market, if you want to learn forex trading, you want to be profitable in forex trading, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be posting some content. I'll be posting how uh, how to identify the supply and demand zone, how to place your trend line, how to uh how the market goes. I'll be explaining everything about the market. So subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. That was me though. So if you can see, you see that the market was actually going up. But though I was actually out of the market, so I was not trying to enter the market so that I was trying to fulfill my trading plan. I don't want to over trade. I don't want to be greedy. That's just the thing because that is how psychology works. Don't work with your trade. If you work with your trading plan, psychology will not get an edge over you. That's very true. We should just work with your trading plan. Psychology will not get an edge over you because whenever you work with your trading plan, you see your plan coming to before you enter a trade. That's when you know yes for a fact that you're already beating, you're already making it, you're making it. So, all right, thank you very much. See you and goodbye. Thanks. Bye bye.